I want you to be successful. That's my main goal, is helping you become successful. And yes, you can run a Christmas light business and be successful. And this is why I teach premium pricing. I'm not teaching you premium pricing to try to get you out of jobs. I would much rather you do I'd much rather you do 5 jobs at $2,000 a piece and make, $10,000 versus you trying to do 20 jobs at $500 a piece. Because every time you're on this roof is a chance of you falling off that roof and dying. And I don't want to give you no chances. I want to make the risk the least amount as possible. There's no amount of money to be made of falling off of this roof. Falling off of this roof will kill you, right? And so it's important that you understand that I'd much rather you do 5 roofs at $2,000 versus 20 roofs at $500. This is why I teach premium pricing. Premium pricing is definitely the way that I want to go.